Meaning of ethnocentrism.
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 Ethnocentrism. Ethnocentrism refers to the tendency of individuals or groups to view their own culture, ethnicity, or nation as superior compared to others. This can lead to biased and prejudiced views toward people from other cultures, and a lack of understanding or acceptance of cultural differences. Ethnocentrism often results in conflict and discrimination, as individuals or groups may feel threatened by unfamiliar customs or beliefs. It can also inhibit cross-cultural communication and cooperation, and hinder progress toward greater cultural diversity and inclusion.